Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to understand the concept of lead, lag and transaction. So directly we will jump into queries. I want to show you how our table looks. Select all from employees 1. So guys, can you see how the table looks? Employee ID, name, department, salary. Now I'm going to show you directly how lag lead works. Suppose we are using lag function, lag the salary column over order by employee ID. So we want to keep ID lower to higher, okay, ascending manner, and we are giving this output as lag output, and we are using lead function over salary column order by employee ID, and we will keep the name lead output. Okay, now I'm going to execute it. Can you see when we use lag function what we got, and when we use lead function what we got? When we use lag means whatever is in the previous, okay, previous things come in lag function, and the following things come in lead function. For this row you got the value of previous row, okay, so this is lag function, and for this row you got the value of next row, so that is the lead function. And you can lag and lead the values by 2, 3, whatever you use, nth, okay, nth values you can put here. If you use 2, same here you use 2. Now I show you what will happen. 2 values lag, okay. For this row we don't have 2 values, we got null. For this row we don't have 2 values, for this we have 2 values, right, 1 and 2. So we got 85222 in lag. Same for lead. For this 45,000 you got 8,000, you can see. For 8522 you got 45 because you are using 2 here, okay. You can understand how lead and lag works. Now after that I want to show you the concept of transaction. Transaction means whenever you are performing some operation in your table, whether it is delete, insert, update. So when you do these operations in your table, you can roll back and commit them. Roll back means you can undo the operation whatever you have performed, and commit means you have permanently allowed the operation to be done on your table, okay. So for that, how we start transaction? Use begin transaction. Now execute it. After that we are going to delete ID number 3, okay. So we are deleting this ID number 3. I show you. Now we deleted the ID number 3, but we remembered that we supposed to delete ID number 2, but we deleted ID 3 accidentally. Now we can roll back. If I roll back, you can see you will get the ID number 3 again. You got the ID 3. That's how transaction work. You can commit and roll back. You can undo and you pass the, okay. Now you know how we can roll back the value, means undo the operation. Now again we will start the transaction, begin transaction. I'm going to delete the ID 3. Now I can show you. We deleted the ID 3 and we supposed to delete the ID 3, so we can commit it. Now our ID 3 is permanently gone. I show you. Can you see? ID 3 has permanently gone. So that's how commit works. In rollback, you undo the data, and when you commit means you are doing you want to do the operation whatever you have performed. Now I want to show you the concept of save point. For that, I will again begin the transaction. Now I'm going to delete the data too first. Okay, we have deleted the data. Now I'm making save point. So for that you use save point and you provide a name. I'm providing it and a name sp1. Okay, this is my save point. Okay, I'm again deleting a data. Remember we are under a begin transaction. Okay, we can commit and roll back. So again I'm deleting id4. Execute it. Now I am making a save point. Okay, I have made a save point sp2. Now I want to undo this operation. Means I want to keep operation up to here. Means I want to stay up to operation sp1. So you can roll back up to that point. Roll back up to sp1 means this will be undone. This operation will be undone when you roll back. Roll back means undo. You want to go to sp1 means this much you want to keep and this much you want to undone. So now I'm going to roll back. Okay, now I'm going to commit. Now I have committed. I want to show you. Select all from employees 1. Employees 1. Can you see? We had deleted the ID4 data, but what we did, we rolled back to SP1, means this operation got undone. Okay, so you got the ID4 back again, but you deleted the ID2, so you can see we don't have ID2 now, and we have committed, so it will be saved permanently. So that's how you use lead, lag and transaction. That's very simple concept. You keep trying, okay, and you will learn these concepts soon. If you have any doubt, you can tell me in the comments. I will sort out.